The main objective of this competition is to show the talent.
Ador Welding empowers the participants with the world-class standards by offering the advanced welding training programs. This commitment ensures participants stay ahead of the industry trends, driving innovation and excellence in all the projects which they undertake.
Ador offers world-class infrastructure and the latest high-end welding technology, making it ideal stage for such an event.
I'm confident that this platform will help our welders to showcase their talent.
I want to show that girls belong in welding, and Ador gives me the perfect platform to prove my skills.
It was an exciting competition and I feel proud to be a part of this competition.